Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will show you how to open websites using run command. Open your browser. Search for the website like YouTube that you want to open using run command. Opening your searched website. Move mouse pointer to the three dots on top right corner. Then move cursor to the More Tools options and then click on Create Shortcut. Now close your browser and go to Desktop. At Desktop you will see the shortcut for your searched website. Cut that icon and then open the drive in which you have installed Windows. Go to Windows folder and then go to System32 folder. And place that shortcut here. It will ask for admin authentication. Click Continue to proceed. After completing these steps, now open Run and then type name of searched website for which you have created shortcut. You can see that your searched website and open. So that was today's tutorial. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below the video.